Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you want to use CapCut Pro without inviting your friends and all of the hassle. Well, this actually has some cons to it, pros and cons. So get your video and just add in the pro effects that you want to use for it. For instance, this one. Then you are just going to make it a full screen and just screen record it, because that's the only way you're ever going to do it without the inviting friends. Just do that. Honestly, it's easier. I know it's just a trial, but it's good to see like what you get for a few months. So I suggest you just getting the trial first. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.